So let's get right to it right now and talk about Bbig for the price. If we have a squeeze, where? If we have a sell-off, where? Simple as that. So let's get right to it and see what's gonna happen. So we already talked about it before. That price has been still holding this ascending line, and we have 4 bounces, and this is the 5th, and I think this is the last one. I have to admit it, this has kind of been squeezed a lot, and we talked about yesterday our exhibition average is cut the chart in half. So what we said before, any price above is bullish, any price below is bearish. And here the price is bought back. This is a good sign of bullish momentum, that there is a buy limit order and we're doing ascending line and we're doing higher lows. So this is good indication for strength, and every selling pressure that we met from this above our ascending line or our exhibition average, we met with buying pressure. So this is bullish. If you want to ask me, this is bullish and a sign of the squeeze. However, we want to confirm one thing right now, because we are nearing again near this ascending line, and this is the 5th time. So what we said, we don't need any price go below the $3 this time, because we already went below the $3 around the 8th of February, and the 14th of February we went around the $3.11. So we want to confirm we're still doing higher lows and never go below even the $3.10. So this is kind of will be confirmation for a big bearish momentum, and this is I don't want to see. What we want to see is the price holding by today at least, and by tomorrow we're gonna see a jump and test this double top, or at least the $3.58, because this is kind of have a significant value, and the squeeze will happen around the $3.83 this time if we just bounce from this bottom around this area. Because right now look how crazy it is. Let me just go in smaller picture. We have kind of the price nearing this ascending line, and we have really small candle right now, and it's mean the buying pressure and selling pressure is met, and right now the price is on hold, and the volume is around the 15 million. So the volume is kind of dropping right now. Before we have 50 million, 70 million. Right now it's 15 million. So I will be extra cautious, because if we don't hold, this scenario will be plausible, because this will be the next support, which is the $2.45, give or take, or around even the $2.54. This will be a plausible place to have a massive buying pressure again for Bbig if we don't hold this ascending line by tomorrow. This will happen tomorrow, not by the next week. By tomorrow we're gonna see a definite movement, either up or down. If we just bounce from here, perfect. If we went below the $3.10, this would be initiation for a sell-off until the $2.45. I'm trying to be clear with you here and straightforward for the price, even though a lot of people right now searching about good news regarding which stock they bought. I know this is kind of psychological, comforting for your emotion. We're gonna search for good news, because you want confirmation bias, which is mean you want to search for data or information to prove what you think is good, which is the price will go up for the stock. So what you're gonna see in YouTube, a lot of people give you false hope. Try to take the information from both sides, good and bad. Don't try to confirm what you want. Just think, if the price go down, what's gonna happen? If the price go up, what I'm gonna do? So try to have both the equation together in order to think outside the box and never fall in the same mistake again, and you learn from your mistakes. Hopefully that was affirmative And again, I will do update for tomorrow for the pre-market, of course, in our Patreon and Discord, in the link in comment section below. However, we're gonna do a video for BBIG and live streaming for BBIG and a lot of stocks before the market close, usually every time around Friday 8 p.m. Paris time. So see you in the next update.